Hello friends of Pau Secrets, welcome to my kitchen. I am Pau and I have a question for you. Do you know how to detoxify from heavy metals? In this video I'm gonna show you all the ingredients and how to prepare the best heavy metals detox smoothie in the world. According to NORD, the National Organization for Rare Disorders, heavy metal poisoning is the accumulation of heavy metals in toxic amounts in the soft tissues of the body. Many of the heavy metals, such as zinc, copper, chromium, iron, and manganese, are essential to body function in very small amounts. The heavy metals most commonly associated with poisoning of humans are lead, mercury, arsenic, and cadmium. Heavy metal poisoning may occur as a result of industrial exposure, air or water pollution, medicines, improperly coated food containers, or the ingestion of lead-based paint. This smoothie can help you detoxify from heavy metals because of the superfoods and all the ingredients that contain. These are all ingredients that will help your body and your system to release your system of heavy metals. Cleanse the heavy metals out of your body with this smoothie. We're going to use a handful of cilantro, a handful of spinach, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 whole kiwi, half cup of pineapple, 1 peel of chlorella fermented, half glass of coconut water. You put all these ingredients in a blender and lime juice to add at the end when the smoothie is ready. And then you enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a like. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments or any questions, remember that you can write those questions under this video. And I see you next time.